Good morning. How is everyone doing today? It is your girl Annie from Med School Life, and we are coming together for another edition of Comfy Robe Chronicles. Yes, a place where you can come and it is a judgment-free zone. You can share your thoughts. You can come, no makeup. Your hair can be a mess. You can literally be watching this video and laying in bed. But this is your 10 minutes, your 10 minutes to know that you are amazing, that you are worthy of love, and that you absolutely have to take time for yourself in this 24 hours that we are given. And what I've done is made sure that everyone who subscribes to my channel takes at least 10 minutes. You gotta take 10 minutes for yourself. Love yourself. Take that 10 minutes and just, have a nice warm cup of tea or hot if you like it hot. And not combine it with, oh, I'm having my tea, but I'm doing work over here. I'm doing this for myself, but I'm doing that too. No, slow down. Take 10 minutes and just think about what you want to accomplish in this next 20 hours in order to get healthier mentally, physically, and spiritually. Because we don't know if we'll get another 24 hours. But if you woke up this morning and you get another day, don't wait till tomorrow to be better. Be better today. And that's what I want to talk about today. How can we master ourselves? Self-mastery is a walk that's minute by minute, hour by hour, and day by day. How do you master your emotions? How do you become proactive and not reactive? So let's talk about that. Maybe you're a person who has yet to master your anger. Maybe when someone says something to you and it hurts your feelings, you blow up, you lash out, Are you having problems struggling with anger? It's okay to admit that. It's okay to say, I have yet to master my emotions. You may be a person who's been hurt over and over and over again, and you're just raw. And so anytime anything happens, oh my goodness, you go to 10 in less than 60 seconds. So what you want to do is recognize before that happens what's happening with you. Are you getting hot? Are you getting flush? Do you feel yourself getting ready to just explode? When you feel those physical changes occurring, step away from the situation. Step away. And if you have the ability, talk to someone about that. Make an appointment with a therapist so that you can master yourself. Are you someone who has yet to control your eating? Every emotion you find yourself snacking and acquiring more calories to soothe yourself, day to day. You have yet to master your eating because you're an emotional eater. You'd like to get physically fit. You'd like to stop snacking on empty calories, but somehow, you think about it, but then the thought comes, it goes, it comes, it goes. Step away from your emotions for just a minute and examine the things that triggers you into that binge eating. And then you as well can sit down with someone, talk through those issues, and start moving toward substituting positive things when you're feeling frustrated or hurt or disappointed. Because everyone has a full range of emotions that we go through. And I mean every day. Every day we probably visit every last one of our emotions. We go tick, tick, tick. Yep, I'm angry, I'm sad, I'm depressed, you know. But you can have self-mastery. You don't have to be reactive to everything that happens to you. You know, is it a journey? Absolutely, it's a journey. But it's a journey you can start today, not tomorrow. Not tomorrow, today. You can start moving in the right direction. Even if you just pick up a phone and say, you know what, I'm finally going to make an appointment to speak to somebody. Or I'm going to go back and apologize for my behavior where I blew up at someone because I was upset at them about something. Instead of talking it out, communicating. And you know what? Maybe the other person is in the same situation and now is not a good time to talk to them. Okay, that's all right. But you can master your own world, your own domain, and you can decide to make a change. So self-discipline, self-mastery, being able to avoid situations that may trigger you and recognize those physical changes that happen before you go in the same direction you've been going, most of your life. I love doing these videos. I love that I can come in the morning and share something with you that can change your life, that can make you think, how can I be a better person? You don't have to wait for people around you to change. No, we don't have control over that. We have control over ourselves. And in this next 24 hours, I hope you sit with yourself in this 10 minutes. And I hope you think about how you behaved over this last day, this last week, this last month, or maybe even this last year. And decide, I can improve in some areas. I can definitely become a better version of myself. And I'm on that same journey. I am. I fall short some days, but the goal is to keep going. Don't give up on yourself. And if you know someone who's struggling, if someone blew up at you, in love, share these videos with them. Help someone just like you're helping yourself. It's important that we have a positive outlook, that we know that we can make a change and make the world a better place. My mother always said to me, Annie, people should be better for having known you. And so I've tried to live up to that. I really have. If I meet someone, if someone's brought into my life, I try to make sure that I don't do anything that would hurt another human being. I really try to do that. I try to help people, encourage people. And I'm not always 100%. I'm not perfect, but I'm striving. And I want you to know that I love you. You're special. You're needed in this world. And if you're down today, get up. Get up and live this next 24 hours with the best attitude you possibly can. If you see someone Wave, say hi. Good morning. How are you? And if you ask someone how they are, listen. All right, guys. I love you. This is your girl Annie from Comfy Robe Chronicles via Med School Life. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.